I'm going to replace the grommets on a pier drive here, and there's 7 different pieces to the grommet. There's the head guard, there's the 2 side pieces, there's a throat piece, there's the 2 lower side pieces, and there's the grommet strip that goes in the head guard. To do this, I'm going to use a plain old stringing awl and a small Phillips screwdriver that I'm going to use as a pry bar a little bit later. First thing I'm going to do is put in the throat piece. Alright, then I'm going to put in the side pieces. The grommets themselves are pretty long and skinny, so I can't go from the outside to try to pry the grommet in there. So what I'm going to do is use my awl on the inside of the frame if I have any problems, and I've got a problem right there. I just come around here and grab the tip of it as I'm pushing on the outside with my finger and get the grommets in there. Next thing I'm going to do is put in the bottom or the side piece, and the side piece has to go in one way. There's a wide part down here, and then right here it starts getting thinner, and then there's a towel for the top cross right up here at the top. That towel has to go at the top of the racket. So I'm going to start my racket from the bottom. And then the top 4 grommets have to go into this head guard. So I'm going to put the top 4 grommets in that head guard. Then I'm just going to try to get it to go all the way around. Okay, now comes the little common or the Phillips screwdriver. What I'm going to do is use this as a pry bar and going through that grommet strip and then into the racket to pry this grommet around so that it stretches and the holes line up in the frame in the grommet strip. Then I'll put in my side piece, my top grommet strip. And once I get it pretty much all the way around, I can take that screwdriver out and then put my remaining grommets in. Alright, once I get that in, again I want to make sure I got the towel off at the top. This is backing out, but I can fix that later. Put in the top 4 grommets right here and then go down around the side. You want to be careful with these because these grommets are real soft, and it's real easy if you've got a sharp awl like I've got to just go straight through that grommet, and then you'll end up with a hole in your grommet. Once you get that in, put in the bottom piece. and you're pretty much done. All you got to do now is go string the racket.